My study of US citizenship interview. In this video, we are studying our N400 application form and vocabulary. In this N400 application form, there are some difficult words and I am trying to give you exact meaning of the words which are easy to remember. Let us start our study. To register, to sign up. Marital status. You are married, unmarried, divorced or widowed. Spouse, husband or wife. To advocate, to support. Current home address. Where do you live now? Date of birth. Where you were born. To fail to. Did not do something. Federal government, the United States government, prior, previously or before. To be exempt, do not have to do something. Pending, waiting for something or something has not been approved yet. Have you ever, in your lifetime, member, to belong to request, to ask for, resident, to live in, dependents, to support someone financially, disability, physical impairment, oath, promise, occupation, job or profession, permanent, lasting for a long time, elect, to choose a person by vote, arrested, to be taken into jail by police, bear arms, to carry weapons like gun, claim to be US citizen, to tell someone that you are US citizen but you are not, vote, your opinion in an election, nobility, honesty, communism, people have no power and no freedom, Communist Party, a political party that owns and controls everything. For example, China and Korea, and people have no power, no freedom. Deportation, to be sent back to your original country. Genocide, to kill a group of people because of their race or religion. Habitually drunkard, to drink too much alcohol every day. Prostitute, to have sex with someone for money. Mental institution, hospital for mentally ill people. Declared legally incompetent, you cannot take any decision by yourself because you are mentally ill. To be confined, to stay in one place and not able to leave mental hospital. Non-combatant, fighting without weapons. Oath of allegiance, to be loyal to the United States. Polygamy, having more than one spouse at the same time. Prostitution, paying or receiving money for sex. Procure, to find prostitute for someone. Rebel group, a group that fights the government. Terrorist, a people who act with violence. Terrorist organization, an organization that uses violent action for political and religious purpose. Totalitarian party, the government party that has complete control over everything and people have no power. Work of national importance, to help the country during the time of disaster. To be charged, police tells you that you did something illegal. Commit a crime, to do something illegal or an action that breaks the law. Offense, violation of law. Arrested, to be taken into jail by police. Cited, given a traffic ticket by the police. Detained, held in custody by police. Convicted, found guilty of a crime under the law. Sentencing, punishment under the law. Alternative sentencing, a different way to punish someone instead of going to jail. That is just like a community service. Jail or prison, a place to keep the criminals and punish them for their crime. Nazi Party, a party under Hitler, that is government of Germany. Narcotics, to possess illegal drugs like heroin, cocaine. Smuggle, to move goods illegally into or out of the country. Gamble, to play a game of chance for money. Fail to file taxes, did not pay taxes. Owe, to have debt. Overdue, not on time or past a deadline. Filing a tax return, sending tax papers to the government. Naturalization, a process of becoming a citizen to the country where you were not born in. Eligible or eligibility, to meet some requirements to do something. Current, the most recent. Country of nationality, the country where you are currently a citizen. Aliases, different names used by you. Nickname, an informal name that your friends and family call you. Maiden name, family name of a woman before she was married. Legal, legally, or lawful, that means allowed by the law. Physical disability, limitations on a person's body functions just like blindness. Developmental disability, physical or mental problems due to adulthood just like autism. Mental impairment, a person's mind is not working properly. To prevent, to stop something from happening, demonstrate, to show or explain. Persecute, to hurt someone badly because of religion or political beliefs. Torture, to hurt someone badly for punishment, to get an information. Rebel group, a group of people that fights government. Guerrilla group, a group that uses weapons to attack police, military and government. Insurgent organization, a group that uses weapons to fight against the government of their own country. Expunged, removed or erased. Withheld adjudication, the judge did not convict you of the crime, though you may be guilty, it is just like a second chance. Deferred prosecution, to negotiate an agreement between prosecution and defense. Deferred adjudication, the judge orders probation but does not formally convict the defendant of criminal offense. Probation, release of an offender under supervision, parole. Conditional release of an offender from prison under supervision. Fraudulent, to claim something that is not true. Perjury, the crime of telling lie under oath. Oath, a solemn promise regarding your future act and behavior. Oath of allegiance, to be loyal to the United States. Allegiance, loyal to the country. Detention, to take into the confinement. Detention facility, a place where people are forced to stay. Prison camp or war camp, a place to keep enemy soldiers during war. Labor camp, a place where people are forced to work. Transit camp, a place where people were waited before being removed to another jail or camp. Extermination camp, a place where many people were sent to be killed and killed at once. Concentration camp, a small area where huge number of people were forced to live in bad condition and killed in large numbers. SS military unit, an organization under Nazi government, that means soldiers of Nazi party. Self-defense unit, a group that uses weapons to protect a place and fight with another group. Paramilitary unit, a group that acts like military but not official. Military unit, a group of people who work for government and fight in war. Militia, an army but are not official. Police unit, a group of people who work for government and catch the people who breaks the laws. Vigilante unit, a group of people who act like police but are not official. Habitual, often, to verify, to prove, to swear, to promise, penalty, punishment. Civilian, a person who is not in military. Adjudication, final decision on legal matter or court case. Good moral character, it is a behavior based on strong principles about what is wrong or right. Documentation, records or papers that show something is true. Forcing sexual contacts or relations, touching someone's private body part when he or she does not want it. Illegal gambling, gambling that is not allowed by the law. Resident, a person who lives in a specific space. Residence, where you live or your home. Non-resident, a person who does not live in a country. Alien, not a citizen of the United States. Lawful permanent resident, a person who does live legally in the United States. U.S. citizen, a person who owes to the United States government. Lie, to say something that is not true. Gender, male or female. Married, having husband or wife. Unmarried, not married, never married, before or now. Divorce, legally stop being married. Widowed, your husband or wife died and never married again. Annulled, marriage that is declared invalid. Separated, still married but not living together. Prior spouse, a person's ex-wife or ex-husband. Alimony, to pay money to former husband or wife after divorce. Immigration benefits, the things that are helpful to legally immigrants like visa, green card and able to work. Public benefits, money from government for things that can help you like food stamp, social security benefits. Controlled substances, drugs or chemicals whose manufacture and use is controlled by government. Removed or deported, to be sent back to your original country. Excluded, not allowed to enter the country. Discharged, a soldier leaves military and stops being a soldier. Deserted, removed from military. Government agency, an organization created by government to do a specific work. Overthrow, that means overturn or capture. Violence, foul play. Allied, similar. Threaten, want to hurt someone. To overthrow the government, to change the government with violence. Ethnicity, race. Waiver, voluntary surrender of privileges or rights. Accommodation, special assistance, court martialed, to go to military court. Abandon, to quit or give up. Hereditary title, it is a title you get when you born in a royal family. Inhereditary title, it is a title you get when you born in a royal family. Order of nobility, it is a position given by a king or queen. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.